my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this episode started. First thing on this episode, let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Is the Kyrie 6 black, white, and Sonar. Know what that stands for, but there's another one of my Kyries. Let's continue to work through. I just grabbed some random shoes. Or one random shoe and two shoes with a purpose. Close this door. Cat can't get me. Alright, let's go through here, guys. Give it this little turn. That's another Kyrie. I think this is the Kyrie that glows in the dark. I try to hit the end of my Kyrie 6s before it's too late. I think I did some Kyrie 7s, I'm not sure. I may run into one. I know I got some Kyries by you on here. Cat's getting on my nerves. He just does bad. He's trying to break my TV. Cat loves trying to break my TV. I'm sorry about that, guys. Here we go back again. Do one more 360. My opinion, this might be another everyday wearer. Might be for nighttime. Shoe. Let me turn it to the side so you guys can see. It has some type of suede. Front of the shoe. I'll give you top action. Front of the shoe. It's just like a netting. Get the normal Kyrie strap. Reflective Nike symbol on this side. Like I said, I glow in the dark eye again on the back and the normal Kyrie bottom. Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get this next shoe underway. I'm looking at the box. Let me show you guys first. Get you a little bit of label action. Had these at my shop yesterday as the shoe of the day. It's my last pair left that I need to sell. I kept one for myself. So if you're interested in a pair of size 9 Air Jordan Retro Special Edition United, let me know. You should be able to tell what that is by just seeing the box. You know these, if you know shoes. Once again, if you're interested in a pair of size 9s, these pair I'm doing a review on now are for sale. See, never even taken out of the box. All dead stocks. Bust it out now. Let me take out this top shoe here. Busting it out the box. Woo! Nobody knows about these bad mammers. Give it a quick spin. Not much to say. Can't remember when these came out. Maybe I think last year about the All-Star game. Knew to keep some in storage so I could bust some heads now. Let me turn this light off so you guys don't get too much glare. See how it is. But yeah. Knew to save some pairs. So when it was time to crack head, I would be able to crack head and get them out there. Woo, that's a good shoe, guys. Let's get one more 360. We'll get on with the next shoe. Relax. I got this pair in a size 13 for myself. I just had to. I put it off long enough. I just got a pair of these to complete the collection because I already have the Chicago version of this shoe, so I said I might as well get this too. Alright guys, give you another side view, another view of the back so you can see that it's just a Nike Air version. It's a version of this shoe that says CHI on the back. That's the Chicago version. Alright, let's get on to the next shoe, guys. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Let's get you some box action. By this box, you should know what it is too. Get you a little bit of light action. Hold on 1 second, guys. Look through the box with the light on. I cut it off again if this shoe, it's like the old when you see the box. You know what this is already. I told you everybody else is rushing to sell theirs. I'm sitting, waiting to hit you as soon as it's time. This is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Special Edition Denim Japanese version. You guys see, you get the little elephant print paper that's a little bit different than the last one. Get this shoe out. A lot of people love this shoe. A lot of people couldn't get their hands on this version. It's a rare one. I had to get the US version. Nothing's the matter with the US version. I got that pair too. Just got a pair of 13s in this one as well. I hit this light off now, guys, because it looks like this shoe really reflects it. Give you guys a little bit of 360 action. Oh, this shoe is beautiful. Forgot how good this shoe looks. It's all rolled leather with this is denim right here instead of leather again. And this is what everybody loves. On the back of this shoe, you get to see the little Japanese Air, Nike Air. You got a little bit of light, see if the light could take that. Yeah, that's what everybody loves about this shoe. I'm gonna give you one turn with the light on. Then we'll wrap up the video. This is my shoe of the day today. So if anybody is interested in pairs of 9 to size 13 in these, let me know. This is a pair of 9.5s right here. So if you're interested in this shoe, this pair of 9.5s could be yours. Just let me know. Contact me. Because Ron, if you want this pair is yours, my friend. Alright, guys. Gonna give you one more 360 with the light out. Guess I won't be. There we go. Another 360 with the light out. Then we'll close up the video. This is a bad shoe. That back makes it. That back sets the whole shoe off. Guys, can give you one more back view. Alright, guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you check my channels and sites for daily deals. Every day we'll have a different Jordan available. Next week we're going to be doing rare Jordan 5s. This week, as you can see, was rare Jordan 3s. We're going to keep on moving, keep the channel going, keep your collections going. Everybody make sure you stay safe and have a nice one. Everybody fucking jump!